Hello and welcome back to LARTE Design YouTube channel. And in this video I will show you the full carbon fiber upgrade, including the reels for the brand new BMW X5M competition 2025 by LARTE Design. Let's have a look together. Let's first start talking about the front upgrades for this BMW X5M competition. Now, if you have a look, the biggest and the most massive part on this BMW is the LARTE Design special hood. Now, as you can see, we've got a complete carbon fiber upgrade. However, it's also optional and available in a glossy black version. Now, if you have a closer look, you will also see that on this BMW X5, we've got the radiator grille, in addition with the front bumper inserts, and of course on the bottom we've got a sporty front bumper splitter, which is a three-piece part and gets installed onto the original mounting points. Now, this is the LARTE Design full carbon fiber upgrade. Let me know how you like this upgrade. Let's continue talking about the side view of this BMW X5M competition. Now, we've got also quite a few upgrades on this car. If you have a closer look, you will see that we've got the M version mirror cups, which are also done in carbon fiber. In addition to these elements on the bottom, we've got some extra elements on the side, and of course the side seals, which are also from carbon fiber, as you can see. Now, these elements add an extra touch of luxury and uniqueness to your BMW X5M. Now, as I told you in the beginning, this car has got a full upgrade in carbon fiber, in addition with the special LARTE Design carbon fiber rims. Now, if you have a closer look, you will see that these rims perfectly match to the upgrades of this BMW. Now, this design was chosen specially by the client in order to make his BMW X5 even more special and unique. So for this project, the client has decided to choose a special design for his reels. Now, if you have a look, we've got a 5-spoke 21-inch wheels with the special LARTE Design carb plates. Now, the rim option is something that you can choose by yourself. We've got quite a big variety and option of the wheels for your car. Now, most importantly, all parts on this BMW X5M are available also individually, so you can really build the upgrade the way you want to have it. Now it's time to talk about the rear of this car. Let's first start talking from the top. Now, on the top, we've got a sporty top spoiler. In addition, with the lower spoiler, which as you can see are also done in carbon fiber, something that is definitely special. Now, in addition to the spoilers on the bottom, we've got a rear bumper diffuser. Now, this is a special rear bumper diffuser with the LARTE Design brake lights. Now, as you can see on the sides, we've also got the exhaust tips, which are made by LARTE Design with a special logo on it. Now, these definitely add a sense of aggression to your BMW X5M. Now, if you once again have a look at this rear design for this car, you will definitely see the touch of uniqueness and luxury. Let me know what you like the most, if it was the front upgrade, the side, or the rear. Most importantly, we do ship worldwide, and all the parts are also available individually, so you can really build the upgrade the way you want to have it and feel special. So now let me also show you the sound of this car. However, we do not modify the exhaust itself, we only modify the visual effect of the exhaust tips, but it's also something that you always request, so let me show you the sound. However, before I do that, let me show you a quick thing on the side from the rear view. Now, as you can see, we've got some additional elements here which do definitely match with the side seals on the side of this car, in addition with the carbon fiber rims. So this is something really individual and definitely something that highlights the silhouette of your car. So now it's time to listen to the sound of this BMW X5M. Let me show it to you. Are you ready? So how did you guys like the sound of this BMW X5M by LARTE Design, and also the overall project done in-house by us in Germany? So do you also want to feel special and truly one of a kind? Then do not hesitate and leave us a request on the website, and we will be happy to contact you back and guide you through the whole process from the beginning to the very end. And we create the special experience for you and the emotions, so you really feel individual and happy while driving your car and also looking at your car. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and see you soon.